The idea of intellectual property is a great one. With moral rights, the author knows that whatever he creates is in fact his. With copyright laws, the artist knows that she is able to reproduce and make a living through her art. In theory, all artists can rest assured in knowing that their art will not be used for any purpose against their beliefs, that they will always be able to reproduce it, and finally, that others will always be able to enjoy their works of art. However, if life were like that, you wouldn't need. Unfortunately, life isn't like that. Somehow, large corporations have been granted the status of citizenship. These citizens are able to possess the copyright for anything and everything. Don't believe me? Just take a look at McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm ING's savior. And finally, TELUS. The future is... Since these are corporations, they are primarily concerned with making money. In her article, Trademarking the Moon, Cheryl Hamilton refers to several notorious cases of brand name bullying, in which large corporations have reaped the benefits by exploiting citizens through intellectual property rights. For example, in 1995, campers across America came this close to being required to pay royalties if they sung certain campfire songs. Here, various forms of art are commodified and are treated as such by the large corporations that own them. And this is where the problem comes. At its heart, art is the primary method through which society's faults are critiqued. As art is turned into a commodity, society slowly loses its ability to critique itself. To change intellectual property laws for the better, the intellectual property holdings of large corporations must be eliminated, or at the very least, limited. Intellectual property rights need to be changed to benefit the artists and allow for freedom of expression where it really matters. Society's art, and therefore culture, should not be owned by money-hungry corporations. Rather, it should be owned by the ones that made it, the artists. It is time that intellectual property rights stopped protecting the corporate citizen and started to restrain it from exploiting society.